Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Polygon Matic chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $1 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, and there are high chances that we are going to see now a reaction of our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 2 and start gearing up in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side before we can expect a wave 4, then the wave 5 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting here on the Polygon Matic chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that we had been seeing breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area within this red target area down here, and having fully maximized our minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and because of its impulsive nature, I also expected to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas and also giving us the high for this wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Polygon Matic chart. And zooming in so that you can see that better, you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2, we saw this 5-wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $1.2535 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which is highlighted here in blue. And having fully maximized our minimum target area in the formation of this wave 2, I now believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And within the formation of that wave 3, which is also an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see another micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave 3. And you can now see that I have this Elliot wave structure in white, having that as the first wave. Then we also saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and in my previous videos I said to you that we were ready for that wave 3 to the upper side, and even gave you another micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. And I also said to you that in case we lose the Fib level 0.78 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave down there, the second wave to that high at around the $1.1315 mark, then there are high chances that we are going to reset this second wave to the lower side. And I believe that is what has happened over here. We have managed to reset this second wave, which is right here in blue, that is in white, and using the Fibonacci's once more, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. The minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2 is between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, and in case we lose the golden pocket, then we can extend our target area back to the Fib level 0.78, which lies at around the $1.0519 mark. But as long as we are holding between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, then there are high chances that we are going to start an impulsive wave to the upper side very soon in what I will be terming as the formation of that wave 3. And there are high chances that we might see a reaction of the golden pocket between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618, break through these key areas on the Fibonacci's, continue gearing up, and the first confirmation that we are back in the formation of this wave 3 is a break above the first wave, which is right here highlighted in blue, and that is at around the $1.1466 mark. So the moment Polygon Matic continues to gear up, see a break above the 20-day MA on the 1 hour chart, give us the support that we need for us to continue gearing up. Then I'll be watching for a break above the $1.1466 mark, and the moment you manage to break that, then there are high chances that you are going to also manage to break above our key area of resistance at around the $1.17 mark, see a successful retest to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a target area in the formation of this wave 3, assuming that Polygon Matic is not going to give us one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.2676 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do, assuming that we are not going to see one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Continue watching our area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, because we need to continue holding within that, and also our key area of support at around the $1 mark, because by any chance we lose the $1 mark, then that would be suggesting even lower prices, maybe to take us back to around the $0.93 mark. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 40 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.